Hey there, amazing seniors. You've taught me so much over the years. Now it's my turn to help you navigate the exciting world of AI and social media. I know it can seem overwhelming at first. Believe me, I've been there. But trust me, with a little patience and a lot of laughs, you'll be amazed at what you can learn. Remember when we first learned to drive? It felt scary at first, but we got the hang of it. This is just like that. So buckle up, grab your reading glasses, and let's get started. Okay, let's talk about AI. Sounds complicated, right? You might think it's something only tech experts or young people can understand. But that's not true at all. AI, or artificial intelligence, is actually something that can be quite simple to grasp once you break it down. But really, it's just about machines learning to think a little bit like us. Imagine teaching a child how to recognize different animals. You show them pictures and tell them, "This is a cat," or "This is a dog." Over time, they learn to identify these animals on their own. AI works in a similar way. Think of it like a really smart parrot. You know how a parrot can learn to mimic sounds and words? Well, AI can learn to mimic human tasks and behaviors. It's all about repetition and learning from examples. You teach it to say hello and it repeats you. AI is similar. You provide it with data and it learns to recognize patterns and make decisions based on that information. It's like having a parrot that not only repeats words but also understands their meaning and context. We feed it information and it learns to do amazing things. For instance, AI can help you manage your daily tasks, remind you of appointments, or even suggest new hobbies based on your interests. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you really well. Want to find a recipe? Ask AI. You can simply tell your virtual assistant what ingredients you have, and it will suggest recipes you can make. It's like having a chef in your kitchen ready to help you cook up something delicious. Need help translating a language? AI to the rescue. Whether you're traveling to a new country or trying to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, AI-powered translation apps can bridge the gap. They can translate text, speech, and even images in real time. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Your smartphone can do so much more than just make calls or send texts. With AI, it becomes a powerful tool that can help you navigate your day-to-day life with ease. There are tons of free resources online to help you learn more. The internet is a treasure trove of information, and with AI, you can easily find what you're looking for. Whether it's learning a new skill, staying updated with the latest news, or exploring new hobbies, AI can guide you to the right resources. Check out websites like Khan Academy and code.org. These platforms offer a wide range of courses and tutorials on various subjects, from math and science to coding and art. They are designed to be user-friendly and engaging, making learning a fun and rewarding experience. With interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes, you can learn at your own pace and track your progress. So don't be intimidated by AI. Embrace it as a tool that can enhance your life and open up new possibilities. Remember, it's not rocket science. It's just a smarter way to live. Now let's talk gadgets. Smartphones, tablets, laptops. Oh my, don't worry. You don't need to become a tech whiz overnight. Start with one device you feel comfortable with. Maybe it's your phone or a tablet. There are tons of user-friendly apps designed specifically for seniors. Look for apps with large buttons and simple layouts. These are much easier to navigate. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Your grandkids can be great teachers. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these devices, the easier it will become. You got this! Just like in the real world, it's important to stay safe online. The internet is a vast place full of opportunities and information, but also potential risks. Understanding how to protect yourself is crucial. Let's talk about privacy and security. These two concepts are the foundation of a safe online experience. Privacy ensures that your personal information remains confidential, while security protects you from malicious threats. First, always create strong passwords. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Think of it like a secret code that only you know. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. The more complex, the better. Don't use the same password for everything. If one account gets compromised, others will be at risk too. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Be careful what information you share online. Personal details like your address, phone number, and even your full name can be used against you if they fall into the wrong hands. Think twice before posting your address or phone number publicly. Even seemingly harmless information can be pieced together by someone with malicious intent. And watch out for scams. Scammers are always coming up with new ways to trick people into giving away their personal information or money. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be skeptical of unsolicited emails, messages, or pop-ups that promise big rewards or urgent actions. You get to decide what you share and who you interact with online. Use privacy settings on social media and other platforms to control who can see your information. Stay vigilant, and you'll be just fine. Regularly update your software and devices to protect against the latest threats. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in keeping you safe online. Embracing mistakes in the digital world. Here's a little secret. Everyone makes mistakes online. Yes, even tech experts. The important thing is to learn from them. Accidentally liked a post from 2015? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Just undo it and move on. The beauty of technology is that most mistakes can be fixed, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. That's how you learn and grow. Remember, the delete button is your friend. And if you're ever unsure about something, just ask for help. The internet is like a giant library. It's full of amazing information, but also a lot of noise. So how do you separate fact from fiction? Stick to reputable sources like government websites, universities, and well-known news organizations. Be wary of information from social media, as it's not always accurate. When in doubt, double-check. If you see something that seems fishy, do a quick Google search to verify the information. Remember, not everything you read online is true. Be a critical thinker and always question what you see. One of the best things about the digital age is the ability to connect with people from all over the world. Whether you're looking to catch up with old friends, make new ones, or simply find a community that shares your interests, the internet has made it easier than ever to bridge the gap between distances and bring people together. And that includes finding support for your tech journey. Navigating the world of technology can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're not as familiar with the latest gadgets and software. But don't worry, because there are countless resources available online to help you every step of the way. Join online communities for seniors interested in technology. These communities are filled with people who are in the same boat as you, eager to learn and share their experiences. Whether you're looking for advice on how to use a new device, troubleshooting tips, or just some friendly conversation, these groups can be a great place to start. There are tons of groups on Facebook, Reddit, and other platforms where you can ask questions, share tips, and learn from each other. These platforms are designed to foster communication and collaboration, making it easy to find the information you need and connect with others who share your interests. You can also connect with family and friends who are tech-savvy. They can be a great resource for personalized help and support. Don't hesitate to reach out to them with your questions or concerns. Often, they will be more than happy to assist you and share their knowledge. They'd love to help you out. Sometimes the best way to learn is through one-on-one interaction. And who better to guide you than someone who knows you well and understands your needs? Remember, you're not alone in this. The journey of learning and adapting to new technology is one that many people are on, and there's a vast network of support available to you. Whether it's through online communities, family, or friends, you have a wealth of resources at your fingertips. There's a whole community of people ready to support you every step of the way. Embrace the opportunities that technology offers, and don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. With the right support network, you'll find that the digital world is not only manageable, but also incredibly rewarding and enriching. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our tech journey. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've learned so much. Remember, learning new things takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Now go out there and embrace the digital world. Share your wisdom on social media, explore new apps, and connect with loved ones online. You're a tech star, and the possibilities are endless.